chick has run come to take a few greens because Brownie has wandered off. Somehow these days Brownie is not allowing her to feed at all with her. But Brownie seems to be preoccupied mainly with eating as much greens as she can, so I believe any minute now she would go on the nest, maybe tomorrow or so, and stay there, but we will monitor her. As you know, she's trying to build up her nutrition. As you know, when she starts to nest, she will stay like 3 days max on the nest before she comes off and feed and ease herself. I really showed this grain here again for my little ground dog. Watch this. Brownie's coming. Watch this. See the chick run? So I don't know what's going on. I guess she wants to completely wean her. But there are other cocks around that little chick can go, but I guess she doesn't want to pair off as yet, so she's still keeping pretty close to mom and dad.